NordBalt, a power bridge to the north. Did you know that Lithuania and the Nordic countries have more than 430 years of common history? It started from the day when Sigismund III Vasa, the son of the Swedish King John III, became the monarch of the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. The twists and turns of history, alongside with the Baltic Sea, have split Lithuania from Northern Europe. Lithuania's energy history is dated to the 19th century, when the country started to develop its energy system under the Russian rule. The current system was determined by the Soviet Union's control and isolation from developing Europe, which lasted for 50 years. At the turn of the 21st century, Lithuania regained its independence and became a member of the European Union. However, Lithuania is still dependent on the energy sources of the East. How can one change this? In 2010, Lithuania and Sweden signed an agreement to build a submarine electricity interconnection under the Baltic Sea. In the same year, the European Commission confirmed financial support for the project. After that, territory planning procedures and preparation of construction documents began.
Susijungsim su didelė, gerai išvystyta Skandinavijos rinka. Skandinavai kuo yra žinomi Europoje, kad jie yra rinkos pionieriai, elektros rinkos pionieriai. Ir susijungę su jais, ką mes gausime, geriausius, šiuolaikiškiausius rinkos dizaino sprendimus. Tai yra vienas dalykas. Kitas dalykas – galimybė prekiauti. Tuo labiau, kad istoriškai Skandinavija yra žemų kainų zona, kas mums, importuojančiai šaliai, labai gerai.
The electricity interconnection NordBalt will link Lithuanian and Swedish energy systems. Converter stations will be installed in Klaipėda and Nybro. The length of the interconnection will be 450 kilometers. Its voltage will be 300 kilovolts and its capacity will reach 700 megawatts. The project will cost nearly 2 billion litas. The NordBalt interconnection will be comprised of high-voltage direct current submarine and underground cables and converter stations in Lithuania and Sweden. The diameter of the submarine cable is over 12 centimeters and the cable is covered with 10 layers. At the factory, the cable is wound onto a reel which may weigh up to 7,000 tons. The cable will be laid on the bed of the Baltic Sea between the Lithuanian seaport of Klaipėda and the Swedish town of Nybro by two modern ships specially designed for sea works. A meter of the NordBalt cable weighs around 30 kilograms, and one ship can carry about 250 kilometers of cable on a single voyage. It is estimated that the ships will cross the Baltic Sea 6 times to lay the cable across the sea bottom. NordBalt will be the third longest submarine interconnection in the world. The NordBalt interconnection is expected to be launched into operation in December of 2015. Today, we are building a power bridge to the north. But do you know that another electricity interconnection will be built to connect Lithuania with Western Europe?